April and Reggie, this is Gary V. Just want to greet you all. Well, I want to congratulate you in advance. This is a major step you're taking. As you can see, we're in the middle of work right now, pero it's never a wrong time to give a good message. And my message to you is that, remember, di ba, usong-uso sa mga teleserye yung third party. Your marriage is actually supposed to be between you, your spouse, and a third party, which is the one you have promised or you've made a vows before. So I pray that in every day that goes by, in every week that goes by, month and year, that your relationship will only grow deeper and stronger and bigger and wider when you have the third party involved, because he's the rock that will never roll, and he's the anchor, or he's the rock that you should be anchored on. So God bless you both and congratulations.
Congratulations to April and Reggie on your beautiful marriage together. God bless you both.
April and Reggie, congratulations. Sana in the near future you'll have April and Reggie babies na super healthy. Yun lang, I'll see you soon.
April and Reggie, congratulations on your wedding day. I wish you all the best at sana magtuloy-tuloy ang kaligayahan ninyo and always put God in the center of your relationship. God bless.
Ayun, congratulations kay Miss April and Mr. Reggie. Gusto sabihin na solid yan at sana pang habang buhay. Thank you.
Congratulations, April and Reggie. Though di ko kayo kilala, I admire love stories and I hope yours will be a beautiful, successful one. Cheers to happy days and happy years to come.
Congratulations to the newlyweds, April and Reggie. And sana stay in love, stay happy, and yan, many more years to come sa inyong dalawa.
Hi Ate April and Kuya Reggie, and congratulations dahil yan, mag-asawa na kayo, talagang tuloy-tuloy na ang love na. So sana matagal pa kayo and wish you all the best.
Congratulations April and Reggie. All the best.
Congratulations, April and Reggie. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Sana magtayo kayo ng napakaganda at napakabuting pamilya. Congratulations.
Congratulations, April and Reggie. Nakoy, kakasal na kayo. Sana hindi lang kayo isang beses ikasal. Maraming pa sa lahat ng simbahan na makita nyo. Good luck and best wishes.
Hi Reggie and April, best wishes and congratulations sa inyo dalawa. Sana maging panghabang buhay na kayo at biyayaan kayo ng magaganda at malulusog na anak. I love you, God bless you.